No, I know. I gotta put them on.
Oh, that's He did?
Yeah, just like direct. Oh, you're saved by the bell now.
Do this. Wait for it. My God.
They actually match the pink of your bathing suit. You're matchy-matchy. Alright.
See, like, this isn't what people do. They match with their shit.
Way to go, you kook.
100%. I resemble that.
Okay, let's go. You. Already laughing. They just sound like Peter. They just sound like Peter Griffin. Ooh, turn right now. What's that? Oh, so that big buzzard up there on my post gone. Yeah. Feels so good to be back. Salinas Grande, back in Nicaragua. Everything looks good. Surf super small. Up in front of Scott's looks really good right now. That's a great little left down there. Better take your Crocs off.
What is it? Fish? Puffer fish?
Is that a puffer fish?
Puffer fish. Whoa. Oh my. That's sick. That's so cool.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
Wow.
Except it smells like dying. Because that's rotten. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, en la playa. That is a really nice. This is just going to be really fun. It's not big. We got some big swell coming from the next couple days, but good enough. Got off the plane last night. Got here, got our groceries today, so we're good. Okay. Ready to go? Look at that. Yeah. I know. Like black metal flake. I just waxed up this 5/8 quad fish. I don't think I've actually surfed it. I've owned it for quite a few years, but I never ever used it on the lakes. I used it kiteboarding a couple of times and behind the boat. So I brought it down here to keep it here because it'll do a lot better out front in this than it will back home. So can't wait to ride this thing. It'll be really fun down here for days like this. This is exactly what I wanted it for, is conditions like this. Water feels great. We've been getting a lot of rain down here. It's just coming off the end of rainy season, so it was a little murky and dirty a couple weeks ago, but it doesn't look too bad now. Water's nice and tropical, way better than back home. And this is why I bought a house here. Oh, there's Bruno. Okay, let's get after some of these tasty little Nicaraguan gems on the Emerald Coast. You! Oh my God, it feels so good to be sitting out here. Oh, saltwater, baby. Taking me a minute to get my sea legs under me here. It's crazy when you haven't been in the ocean for 2 months. It's in the lakes. It's a learning curve all over again. Get over here, you. Perfect. Woman. All right, well, we're gonna call it. Time to go in and get some to eat. Hit the like and subscribe. Watch some more videos. We'll see you in the next one.